Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Caitlin from Florals.com and today I have a layout share for you all. If you've been following along this month on my channel, you'll know that I've been using a homemade kit for a lot of my layouts. And that homemade kit's not actually done, but I wanted to share with you guys what I made this month with my homemade kit. So almost all of these process videos are up for the ones that do have process videos, but I also have one little layout that's technically not from this kit, but it used part of this kit, so I decided to show you guys it anyway. But I'll show you the first layout I made with my kit. I'll also have a link down below in case you want to know what in my kit to begin with, but I will be continuing using this kit into March as well, so definitely more layouts I'm using it. But this was the first layout that I made with my homemade kit. The kit didn't have a specific theme, but it did have a lot of spring colors. A lot of different brands mixing and matching, but some pastels and also some brighter colors really helped make this color palette. So this is my first one. Process video is up. Definitely go watch that if you haven't already. Do a little close up here in case you haven't seen this one. I know some people like layout shares and not process videos, so this is a win-win. Next up is, I don't know if it's my favorite layout, but it's one of my favorite layouts from this kit. It's really busy, but I really like the way it came out, and I used a bunch of these tags from Jelly Bean Soup. This one's really fun. There's 5 photos on this layout, which is pretty impressive for me since I don't normally do layouts that way, but I almost wish I put more detail into this layout because it gets kind of plain here in the middle, but you know, working with what I got. But I used a bunch of stuff up on this one. Again, super fun to make. And then this whole month I've been doing this as a collab with Grace Islander, or Anna, here on YouTube, and she created a kit in all of her layouts she's been sharing. So if you haven't watched hers yet, go over to her channel and watch. I'll have it linked down below in case you guys haven't watched them yet. But we had similarly colored kits this month. Definitely not exactly the same, but very similar. Then I made this layout, which is actually for a challenge on paper issues, which is a really fun Facebook group. It's a shop, but they have a Facebook group, and they do fun monthly challenges. And this was a this was a scrap lifting challenge. But this layout was very busy. Again, very busy layouts this month. I don't know why I'm into it, but I'm into it. Using some stuff up from my stash, which has been really fun. And incorporating some new items like this doily I just bought on clearance from Valentine's Day items, I think from Target maybe, but also using some older items like these pretty little studio heart stickers. Actually, a lot of this feels like it's new. Even though I might have had it for a little while, it all feels like it's new, if you know what I mean. But there's that one. Process video is up for this one as well. And then there's this one, which might be my favorite, but I don't know. There's so many fun layouts. I really like how this one turned out. I finally got to use some of these florals. I think it's Kelly Barron who does a lot of floral cutouts on her layouts. So this was like inspiration from her for this one. You got a lot of gold detailing. So this process video is up there as well. But even though all of these are made from the same kit, they look vastly different. This one's a sneak peek. I made this with my kit, but it's also a 6x6 fix video, so this will be up in March. And it's very peach and blue. And I also have the sticky note so I can put the date on it later. But this one will be up in March, but don't worry, it is coming. Definitely a mix and mash of so many different things on this layout. I think I have like 8 designers, or 8 product lines, you'd say. Pretty crazy. But this one was really fun to make. I pulled some inspiration from Becky Biting here on YouTube. She uses a lot of tag dies, and I just got a set. And this reminded me of her layouts using those. So look out for this one coming soon. And then lastly, I did this little layout the other day. If you were on my Instagram stories, you would have seen that I asked you guys if I should paint these wood veneer or not. I decided to keep them plain, even though it was split 50-50 for the final vote. And this is just the title page for my album that I'm going to be working on for Vermont. And this beautiful paper in the background here behind the doily is from One Canoe 2, or One Canoe, I don't know. This is like the only paper I've ever owned from them, so, but it's really pretty. And I used a bunch of, like, these were not in the kit, these were not in the kit, these were not in the kit, but this was in the kit and the paper was in the kit, so almost a kit layout, but not exactly. So I have at least 12 papers, full 12 by 12 sheets of papers left in this kit. So I'm definitely going to continue it on. And I asked you guys in my other process video, I think it was this one. Oh no, it wasn't. I actually put these up out of order. I put this one up last, which is a little bit funny, but in this process video, I asked you guys if you wanted to keep wanted me to keep using the kit or not, and you guys said you did, and you guys apparently love homemade kit videos. So although it's not my personal style to do homemade kits, I like to just grab stuff from my stash and throw it together. I can see the appeal of why you guys like to watch homemade kits, because it's nice inspiration for your own. So if you guys would also like to see more homemade kits, definitely let me know in the comments. I definitely have enough to continue this kit for a while. I made it very large for no reason. Other than I thought I might have more time in February to work on stuff. Also, it's not the end of February when this is going up, so there's definitely more time to do more. I also printed more photos, so I have some more items to work with coming up. But a lot of variation in types of layouts, like I mentioned before. We got teals and peaches and blues and pinks, which helps with the variety. So you couldn't tell that these two came from the same kit. I don't know if there's even a single thing that's the same. I know these puffy stickers are from the same set. This acetate and this frame are from the same set. And then I have one little label here that matches this label here. These are from the same. And also these chipboard. Oh no, this chipboard's from a different chipboard. But anyway, these two are vastly different. But again, same kit, just different inspiration. So I can see the appeal for homemade kits. It's just not my usual style for crafting, but if you guys want to see it, I'd be happy to try to do it again. And Grace has done, or Grace Islander, her YouTube name, she has done this many times before. So if you guys are looking for a lot of homemade kits, she has a couple series of this on her channel, and definitely worth checking out. But that's it for my layout share. Let me know if you guys had a favorite layout of mine from this month down below. I'd love to know which ones you really like, or what style you prefer to see, the multi-photo or the very busy kind. Just let me know in the comments. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in March for some more of these homemade kit layouts. I'm going to be sharing a couple other things here at the end of February, some card videos, I think, and then a different type of layout video. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!